We are right now outside the headquarters of BJP here in Mumbai at Nariman Point, and you can see the celebrations here. You can see the jubilant atmosphere here outside the BJP office. You can see there is a big TV screen and LED screen that has been put up to showcase the results. And the workers of BJP are all out here. They are in a jubilant mood right now. We'll try to speak to some of them. सर बताएं क्या नतीजे आपने ऐसे प्रेडिक्ट किए थे जो जिस तरह से आए हैं, बिकॉज बीजेपी सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी की तरह उभर के आई है।
बीजेपी
इससे ज्यादा
काम किया लोगों का,
और आपको उम्मीद थी?
और सीट बढ़ने की उम्मीद थी।
अभी लगता है और सीट बढ़ जाएंगे?
बढ़नी चाहिए।
नहीं, सीट जितनी बढ़ेगी हमारे अच्छा ही है, लेकिन
काम
उनके
भी उतना
काम
किया है ना, मोदी जी ने भी
महायुति
काम
के
किया है, सबने काम किया है।
तो इसका श्रेय आप किसको दे रहे हैं?
पार्टी और
समस्त हिंदू भाई और बहनें को हम लोग आभारी है जिन्होंने 20 तारीख को घर से निकल के हिंदुत्व के लिए वोट किया। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, ये नारा हमारे लिए कामयाब हुआ है। योगी जी का ये नारा पूरे महाराष्ट्र को सफलता दिलाया है। ये तो अभी झांकी है, लोकसभा बाकी है।
जय श्री राम,
हर हर महादेव।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि ये जो नारा था कटेंगे तो बटेंगे महाराष्ट्र में, उसी के लिए ये ऐसे रिजल्ट्स आए?
नहीं, ये नारा जो आया ना, इससे हिंदू इकट्ठा हुआ, और हिंदू ही नहीं, मुस्लिम बहनाओं ने भी हमको वोट किया है।
और लाड़की बहन का कितना इम्पैक्ट हुआ?
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत।
लड़की बहन का इम्पैक्ट इतना हुआ है कि जिंदगी में महाराष्ट्र की महिला ने ऐसा कहा कि सिर्फ हम लाड़की बहन नहीं है, तो हम ये सरकार के होने वाले सरकार की घर की है, और आगे चल के हमें सब लड़की बहन की रक्षा करेंगे।
मुख्यमंत्री कौन लगता है आपको? क्या
हमारे 3 नारे चल गए।
देवेंद्र फडणवीस।
हमारे 3 नारे चले, जय श्री राम, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, और एक रहेंगे तो एक रहेंगे, एक तीन ही है। और देवेंद्र फडणवीस
is the best thing CM.
So you heard what the BJP workers are saying. Now BJP is at this point, it is leading at 127 seats, and the BJP workers are saying that they want Devendra Fadnavis back as CM. Now this performance is quite unprecedented, because even in 2014 when there was a huge Modi wave in the state, even at that time BJP had got 122 seats, but this time it has even passed that, and it has come up to at least 127, 128 seats. The counting is still going on. There are many more rounds to be counted, and if the trends continue, BJP, if this continues, we just need to see if BJP will pass 144, the majority mark on its own, or not. But at this point, the BJP is the single largest party in Maharashtra, and Mahayuti overall has crossed 200 mark, and Maha Vikas Aghadi has failed miserably in the state. In fact, the Shiv Sena Shinde's numbers are in so much so that the Maha Vikas Aghadi's all 3 parties put together is not able to match Shiv Sena's numbers as well. So it is that badly the Maha Vikas Aghadi has performed. So what exactly has worked for the Mahayuti here? Many are saying it is the the Ladki Bahin scheme, the popular Ladki Bahin scheme, that probably has worked. Then you heard what the BJP workers are saying, the slogan "Katenge to batenge, ek hai to safe hai," such kind of slogans which was given by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, that also might have resonated amongst the people, because with the kind of results that we are seeing at this point, it's a tsunami for the Mahayuti, because nobody must have thought about it, because just 4 months back in Lok Sabha, the Maha Vikas Aghadi had performed exceptionally well, winning 30 odd seats out of 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra, and BJP was decimated at that point of time. But just 4 months down the line, the BJP has revised reversed its performance, and it has come up to, like, right now it is the single largest party in the state. You can see the jubilant BJP office out here, and the workers are happy. They are just waiting now for their chief minister to come up. They are hoping that Devendra Fadnavis will be the chief minister. Now, whether Devendra Fadnavis will be the chief minister or the BJP will let Eknath Shinde, under whose leadership this Mahayuti was performing in this election, whether Eknath Shinde will whether Eknath Shinde will continue to remain the CM, that also needs to be seen. Now, that call will be taken amongst the three parties. They will sit together, but at this point, it is a tsunami for the Mahayuti in the assembly elections, with BJP coming in at just BJP alone at 128 seats, leading at this point, and you can just see the atmosphere here outside the BJP headquarters. This is me, Purva Chitnis, assistant editor at The Print.